Welcome. In this tutorial, we will learn how to prevent accidental removal or rearrangement of applications on the home screen of your Samsung Galaxy device. Organizing the home screen plays a crucial role in quickly accessing applications and important information. Activating this feature will ensure that your content remains unchanged without your approval, maintaining organization and efficiency in device usage. Are you ready to learn how to achieve this? Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is to go to Settings. Now scroll down, find the Home Screen option, and enter it. After that, touch the switch for the Lock Home Screen Layout option, and that's it. Your favorite content will now remain in the same positions, without any accidental changes or removals. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed what you saw and want to stay up to date with similar content, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Subscribing will keep you informed about new video tutorials, tips, and tricks. Thank you once again, and see you soon.